Hey, let's talk about what's happening with Honey. Some YouTubers found problems with how Honey operates. Since I've never been sponsored by them, I can share what it's like from both sides. For creators who promoted it and still promotes it to customers who use it. Want to know what they discovered? Well, it's very interesting and important. I feel like you desperately need to know. Imagine you're shopping online and want to save money. There's a tool called Honey that helps you do just that. It's like having a smart helper that finds discount codes for you when you shop on websites like Amazon. Honey became really popular by working with famous YouTubers like Mrbeast, who told their fans about it. Many people started using it because their favorite YouTubers recommended it. But recently, another YouTuber named Megalag made a video saying Honey might not be as helpful as it seems. He found some problems with how the company does business and wanted to warn people about it. Think of it like finding out your favorite candy store might not be treating their customers fairly. It's important to know both the good and not so good things about companies we use. Honey's practices reveal a concerning pattern of deception that affects everyone involved, from the influencers promoting it to the consumers using it and even the brands pressured into partnerships. Yet here's the fascinating paradox. Despite these questionable tactics we've uncovered, Honey undeniably delivers on its core promise. I've personally reaped substantial savings through the extension, and I know many of you have too. This raises an intriguing question. When a service works as advertised but operates in ethically murky waters, where do we draw the line? Ever wonder how websites know which YouTuber sent you their way? Let me explain the fascinating world of affiliate marketing through Honey's story. PayPal saw such potential in Honey that they acquired it, and for good reason. At its core, Honey taps into one of the internet's oldest money-making systems, affiliate marketing. Picture this. You're watching your favorite makeup guru on YouTube. They rave about a new lipstick and you click their link to buy it. That simple click triggers a digital handshake. A tracking cookie marks you as that creator's referral. When you make your $100 makeup purchase, the creator earns a commission, typically 2-3%. It's like a digital thank you note from retailers to content creators for sending customers their way. And while the technology behind these tracking cookies is complex, the concept is brilliantly simple. Connect shoppers to products, reward the matchmaker. When you click a creator's affiliate link, it plants a cookie in your browser that helps them earn commission on your purchases. These cookies can last anywhere from days to months unless another affiliate link overwrites them. Pretty straightforward, right? Enter Honey. Recent investigations, particularly Megalag's detailed video expose, reveal something concerning. Honey doesn't just take a portion of affiliate revenue, it takes all of it. Here's how. The moment you activate their browser extension to search for promo codes, it silently overwrites any existing creator's cookie with their own. They get the full commission, whether or not they even find you a working discount code. You might think, well, if Honey finds me a promo code, shouldn't they get something? Sure, taking a cut of the affiliate revenue when they actually save you money seems fair. That's what most of us assume was happening, but automatically overwriting creator cookies every single time, regardless of whether they provide value, that's crossing a line. Let's talk about what's really happening behind those Honey promo codes. Sure, you're saving money, and that's great, but there's a bigger story here. Every time you use Honey, they're collecting affiliate revenue, whether they find your code or not. Even just considering PayPal checkout, they're already earning from that click. Now, this isn't just about influencers losing commission. Think about smaller creators like us. Back in 2001 to 2013, affiliate revenue was huge, sometimes how earning YouTube ads. The bigger creators have diversified since then, but for smaller channels, we don't have that luxury. When Honey automatically captures all this revenue, it affects the entire creator ecosystem. They're essentially positioning themselves as a middleman between you and the content creators who might have otherwise earned that commission directly. So while you're still getting those sweet discounts, and don't get me wrong, savings are savings, it's worth understanding how tools like Honey are reshaping the creator economy, sometimes at the expense of the very people who make the content you enjoy. Let me break down why Honey's practices are concerning. Imagine you're a content creator relying on affiliate revenue to make ends meet. Honey's browser extension essentially intercepts that income without providing real value in return. Sure, they might occasionally surface a promo code, but they're primarily diverting money that should support creators. But here's the truly troubling part. Honey isn't just the coupon finding helper they claim to be. They've evolved into something more sinister. They approach businesses with what amounts to a protection racket. Partner with us or we'll keep showing all your best discount codes to everyone. Let's say you're running an online shoe store. You have a special 30% discount code reserved for loyal customers. Honey finds this code and starts sharing it widely. They'll then approach you saying, pay us a commission and we'll only show the 5% codes instead. You're essentially forced to partner with them to protect your pricing strategy. So instead of being the consumer champion they marketed themselves as, Honey has become a middleman that manipulates what discounts you see based on their business deals. They're not helping consumers find the best deals anymore. They're helping businesses control which discounts you can access while taking a cut from both sides. Doesn't that feel like a betrayal of their original mission? By the way, if you're finding this content interesting and helpful, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe for more videos like this. Alright, let's dive back in. So let's talk about Honey. Honestly, it's shocking that they're operating this way. This isn't just about influencers losing money. It's about the promises they're making to you, the users. They claim to find the best deals for you, but what they're really doing is hiding better offers behind whoever pays them the most. Think about that. A service you trust to save you money is playing favorites, and at your expense. It's a wake-up call to be cautious, especially with browser extensions. Honey might be the biggest name out there, but they're far from the only ones pulling shady moves. Some ad blockers and similar tools are also guilty of things like tracking your data or cashing in on affiliate sales without you knowing. Sure, it might feel like you're getting a good deal, but often, if it seems too good to be true, it probably is. However, the great thing about a sample video course is that they help you design your product your own comments. If you want to dive deeper into this, I highly recommend checking out Mega Lag's video. He breaks it all down in detail and really exposes what's happening behind the scenes. At the end of the day, here's the bottom line. Honey is paying influencers up front while quietly taking money from the back pockets of stores and users. They're strong-arming stores to join their program and hiding great promo codes. Unless you're using Honey, that's not just shady, it's unacceptable. Personally, I'm done with Honey. I've uninstalled it, and I'd recommend you consider doing the same. Of course, if you want to keep using it, that's up to you. It still technically works. But now that I know how their backend operates, I can't support it. This isn't okay.